Hello, let me show you all ports that you can find on the Samsung Z Fold 8. So let's start from the top. As you can see, I would like to fold it a little bit. And here, when you take a look on the left side, we can find the first speaker. Over here, we can find the SIM slot with only one physical nano SIM card. Here, we can find microphone, another microphone. And when we rotate the device like this, we can find another two microphones. Here we can find USB-C port for charging, transferring data, and here we can find another speaker. When you take a look right here, we can find antennas here and here and here, volume buttons, power button with fingerprint sensor, and over here there's no any ports, only the selfie camera, and on the back we can find two cameras and the flashlight. And this is all available ports on this device.